What's up, guys? Here in my garage, this new Lamborghini I bought. But you know what's better than a Lamborghini? Knowledge. Psych! Tony ZLE here. We're doing a little something different today. We got a new rotary polishing machine kit, and yeah, we're gonna try it out, see what we can do. I have a DA machine, but it just doesn't cut as good as a rotary. I've never done this before, so we might screw some things up, but I'm hoping for a great outcome. Let's unbox it, baby. So this is it, the Makita 7-inch polisher. We'll see what it can do. All right, we got it all set up. I had to put the handle on. Got the backing plate. Got a yellow wool pad and a pot. I don't know what these pads are. We are actually not doing the CAMARO, contrary to belief. This thing is already coated and paint corrected. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. Yeah, we are actually just, I used a DA, but we are actually just trying to see how this works to do cars in the future for a little detailing on the side. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so let's get this thing pulled out so I can get to my detailing cabinet over there, and let's get the process going. Here is our test dummy for today. Just a Honda Civic. This hood's already all screwed up. See, we got that there. So if I burn through or something were to happen, it really isn't a big deal. So we're just gonna do a quick little, I just sprayed it down with some glass cleaner. I'm gonna clay bar it with some iron decon, and we're gonna get into using this thing and see how it goes. Let's get it right now. That iron stuff smells horrific. That is unreal. Okay, we got our tape line done. Clay bar iron decon. So we are gonna try out the rotary. I don't know which. So we have this pad, but we also have this pad. Let me see what this says on the box here. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion that this looks more woolly, so we're gonna go with this is the wool compounding pad, and this is the polishing pad, that yellow one. But we're only gonna use the rotary to compound, because if we come over to my dirty garage here, I do have my DA there. I think it's a Torx that I'm gonna use to polish off, to finish off. So I'm debating what to use. I think I'm gonna use this complete compound to try it out. I think I'm really enjoying the Griot type, so I think we're just gonna go with these two. DA and the rotary with this one. So that is what we're gonna go with for now, and we're gonna see how it goes. So I don't really know where to start. I think we need to prime the pad first, and then I think we just go on a low setting and just, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. We're just gonna see how it goes. Let me set you guys up here. All right, I actually hit the record button this time. Let's give it a round two. Look at all the wool pad coming off. Let me blow this off real quick. Yeah, it definitely makes buffer trails. Let me get where's my rag? Here it is. Yeah, look at that. I'm not gonna lie, this is a nice little Honda paint here. A little brown. Okay, should I pull this up now? I guess I can pull it up, why not? Okay, let me do a little wipe down of this real quick. Okay, so looking at this now, over here is the side that we did. It's from a little back. Definitely hazy on that side because we did more cutting, but definitely a lot more clarity looking into the light compared to, see this, look at that. Wow. I want to finish this off real quick with a polish and let's see how good we can get it. Okay, let me get the DA with the complete polish. Let me get the DA out and we are going to finish this up and see how much clarity we can get out of this. All right, we got the DA with a white foam pad or hex pad, the chemical guys. Let's dab it on. We're just gonna do a big area right now. Not doing a little 4 square. Okay. Low settings, spread it out first. Okay, and then we'll go up to 3. Wow. Look at that. Barely anything. Wow. The line's not as I accidentally pulled the tape line up. So this is with a compound and then a polish, a little 2-step. See, this is we can see over here. This is the before, all this stuff. Hard watermarks. See, he still goes. And then just nothing. Look at that. Wow. That is satisfying, I'll tell you that for sure. That's pretty cool. All right, we are going to see what we can do now. Okay, so I just did the other side off camera. You can see there's still a little buffer trails. I tried this yellow polishing pad with the rotary instead of finishing off with that. And I think that's where I went wrong. I think I definitely, obviously I'm just learning this, my first time ever using the rotary, but The DA definitely finishes off very nice if you have like a polish. And I mean, this side came out perfect. Like standing back here, obviously the car's a mess, don't mind that. I'm literally just trying this one panel. I mean, obviously there's some deeper scratches, but I mean, compared to how this thing was, you saw it earlier in the video. Yeah, so you can see the buffer trails on this side because I did strictly rotary. I didn't finish down with the DA. But that side is perfect. Using the wool compound pad and the white DA pad, that was a great combo. All right, guys, I've kind of just been doing this on my own, just trying this out. I mean, look at this. This is the before on this back panel here. I mean, wow. Look at that. And we come over, look at the split. I mean, look at that drastic difference. Obviously, there's still some deep scratches. It's not perfect, just some swirls and stuff. But I mean, look at the difference on this. Holy cow. So smooth. Wow. I mean, look at it. It makes a freaking mess, though. What's up, guys? This is after the fact here, a couple days later. And here's just some clips of the final thing, the paint correction. I didn't touch anything else. I literally just touched the paint, and it came out immaculate, as you can see here. Hey guys, please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and let me know in the comments what you want to see. Peace.